So you can see right here, if I just open up the Brick app, you can see right here, I'm actively not bricked up. Basically, you don't have to be bricked up to actually do this. If you are bricked up, you cannot modify these apps in other applications, websites, etc. But basically, when you're on the screen, you simply want to go to the brick option right here, just on the home screen when you open up the app, and then click on the focus mode right here. And you can see right here, we can actually create new modes if there are different apps, or click on the edit option and you can see all of the apps that are actually allowed or not allowed on this page like so. And if we just click on this option right here, just all of our apps, you can do up to 50. You can basically just click on them, click on all these drop downs and modify them and just remove them just like so, or add different apps if you want them to be bricked up so you can't use them when you're bricked. But if you want to do this for websites, you can see right here we have this category called other at the very bottom, and you can see like Safari and all of these other websites that you may be using frequently. Or if there's one that you actually need, like let's just say you need a ChatGPT, you can basically allow it just on this page like so. But you can see right here, this is how you break all of your websites. You basically just tack on this other. It doesn't count as any app, so you can do a lot at once. And yeah, you just click on next when you're done, and you can see it'll save like so, and you click on the exit option, and you can see it is now blocking all of these different apps and websites that you may or may not want allowed when you're actually using your brick. But yeah, if you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing down below. Have a great day.